generational wealth. Building a lasting financial empire. In this empowering pursuit, you'll discover the art of nurturing financial roots that not only support your dreams but also lay the foundation for generations to come. Number 1. Define your goals. Imagine you're placing markers on your financial map. In the short term, consider necessities like covering bills and creating an emergency fund, those unexpected hiccups life throws your way. Now shift your focus to the long term. Picture your ideal lifestyle: owning a home, launching a business, exploring different corners of the world. These aspirations lay the foundation for your financial empire. Keep in mind, though, that these goals aren't set in stone. Life tends to be an exciting journey full of surprises, which means your objectives might evolve. What's key here is adaptability. Whether you're aiming for luxurious indulgences or a peaceful retirement, constructing a roadmap with well-defined targets will serve as your secret weapon throughout this remarkable quest for generational wealth. 2. Budgeting. Think about your income, that cash flowing in. Then on the flip side, you've got your expenses, where all that money's going. Now here's where the magic happens: subtract expenses from income, and you've got a clear picture of what's left. This leftover cash, that's your savings potential, the treasure you're stacking away for your financial goals. It's like giving yourself permission to dream big. Sure, it takes a bit of discipline, tracking every dime, setting limits, but hey, it's all about balance. Your budget is like a flashlight, helping you navigate the financial landscape. So whether it's snagging the latest tech gadget or securing your future, remember, a detailed budget isn't just a tool. It's your ticket to making those dreams of generational wealth a tangible reality. 3. Increase income. We're talking about ramping up your income game in 3 smart ways. First, aim to level up your career. Look out for chances to move up the ladder, learn new skills, and grow within your job. Second, it's all about those extra cash streams. Think freelancing, gig work, or investing in stocks. These can pad your wallet nicely. And third, consider kickstarting a side hustle. Turn your passion or skills into a small business. Doing this means more money in your pocket. Remember, when your earnings rise, you've got more to save, invest, and pass on to the next crew. Embrace these pathways to financial growth and march confidently toward that lasting financial empire. 4. Invest in education. Let's tackle a crucial strategy in the realm of building generational wealth: putting your money into education. Here's the scoop on this game changer. Investing in education isn't just about degrees. It's about keeping your skills sharp and staying ahead of the curve. So whether it's taking online courses, attending workshops, or diving into books, continuous learning is your secret weapon. When you enhance your skills, employers notice and they're willing to pay top dollar for your expertise. It's like turbocharging your earning potential. Plus, these upgraded skills can flow down the family line, boosting future generations' opportunities. Think of education as your rocket fuel on the journey to constructing that solid financial empire that stands strong for years to come. 5. Diversified Portfolio. Putting your money into just one thing is like betting all your chips on a single game, not the smartest move. Instead, think about your investments like a buffet spread. You want a mix of different dishes. Similarly, a well-diversified portfolio means spreading your investments across various types of assets, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps you manage risk because when one asset isn't doing great, another might be soaring. It's like having a team of superheroes that support each other. This strategy isn't just for now, it's for the long haul. As time goes on, you can adjust your portfolio, ensuring it stays aligned with your goals. So whether it's a bull market or a bear market, having that diversified portfolio is like having a solid foundation for that lasting financial empire you're aiming to build. 6. Long-term focus. Imagine a plant. It starts as a tiny seed, and with care and time, it grows into something big and strong. Investing works in a similar way. Instead of seeking quick wins, focus on the long game. This means planting your money in investments and giving them the space to flourish over years and decades. Your investments can grow and multiply over time, making a substantial impact on your wealth. This approach also helps you ride out the ups and downs of the market, staying cool when things get a little bumpy. Remember, it's not about the next few months, it's about the next many years. By adopting this patient approach, you're setting the stage for that solid, lasting financial empire you're aiming to construct. 7. Compound interest. When you invest money and then let the earnings you make from those investments stay put and make even more earnings, it's like a financial chain reaction. Let's break it down. Suppose you put some money into investments, and it earns some interest or gains. Instead of taking that extra money out, you put it back into the investments. This starts a cycle where your money starts growing faster and faster, all on its own. It's not just about the original money you put in, it's about the extra money that keeps piling up. And this isn't a one-time thing, it's a gradual process that builds momentum. This is how you set the stage for generational wealth. The wealth you're building doesn't stop with you, it keeps going, benefiting your family down the line. The earlier you kick this off, the more time your money has to work its magic, setting the foundation for that strong, long-lasting financial empire you're aiming to create. 8. Real estate investments. Now, think of real estate like a double-edged sword of financial growth. On one side, you've got the potential for passive income, and on the other, you've got the chance for your property's value to rise over time. It's a win-win. Here's the deal. When you invest in real estate, you can earn money through rent payments from tenants, creating a steady stream of income that can support you and your future family. And that's not all. As time goes by, the value of your property can increase, leading to capital appreciation. Plus, you can have control over your investment. You can fix up properties, improve their value, and even explore different types of real estate, like residential homes or commercial spaces. Just remember, real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game that requires research and careful planning. By considering real estate as a piece of your financial puzzle, you're building a potential source of lasting wealth for generations to come. 9. Entrepreneurship. Think of it as your ticket to the financial fast lane. When you launch and nurture your own business, you're opening the door to potentially bigger rewards. Here's the scoop. As an entrepreneur, you get to turn your ideas into reality. Whether it's a product, a service, or a whole new way of doing things. This can lead to higher returns than a regular job. You're not just earning a paycheck, you're creating value and reaping the benefits. Plus, when you're your own boss, the sky's the limit. The effort you put in can translate directly into growth for your business, which can mean more money in your pocket. But remember, entrepreneurship isn't a stroll in the park. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. It's like planting a tree. At first, it needs attention, but as it grows, it provides shade and fruit. So consider entrepreneurship as a key tool in your kit for building a solid financial empire that can stand tall for generations to come. 10. Tax efficiency. When you strategize your investments to minimize the amount you owe in taxes, you're setting the stage for bigger returns. Here's how it works. When you invest, you're aiming not just for gains but for smart gains. Certain investment accounts and strategies can help you legally pay less in taxes, leaving more money in your pocket. For instance, retirement accounts and tax-efficient funds can be your allies in this journey. By keeping an eye on tax implications, you can ensure that your hard-earned money is working as hard as possible for you. Just like a puzzle, each piece fits together to create a financial picture that's both efficient and lucrative. Consider tax efficiency as a powerful tool in your toolbox for crafting a sturdy financial empire that can stand the test of time. Attention-savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. 11. Estate planning. It's like crafting a roadmap for your hard-earned money and property to reach the right hands when you're not around. Think about it as a way to secure your family's financial future. Estate planning helps you put in black and white who gets what when the time comes. No crystal ball needed. This comprehensive plan ensures that your wealth smoothly moves to the next generation, like passing the baton in a relay race. It's not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants their legacy to carry on. You work hard to build a financial empire. And this is how you make sure it stands strong even after you've stepped off the stage. From assets like your house to that stash of savings you're growing, estate planning covers it all. Now imagine this: you've got a family business or a sweet collection of vintage cars. Without a clear plan, things might get messy, and family squabbles. Let's avoid those. No one likes paperwork, but think of it as a love letter to your family. You're making their lives easier by sparing them legal tangles and confusion. Bottom line, estate planning is your way of ensuring your financial journey keeps shining for generations to come. 12. Professional advice. You might be a financial whiz, but these folks bring specialized knowledge to the table. They've got the playbook for generational wealth locked down. It's not about admitting you need help, it's about gaining an edge. These pros can help you dodge financial pitfalls and keep your empire sturdy. Imagine this: you're laying the foundation, and these experts are the architects ensuring it stands strong. Financial advisors bring strategic insights, attorneys tackle legal twists, and accountants deal with the nitty-gritty numbers. Don't stress about the cost. Consider it an investment in your empire's future. When life throws curveballs, they're the coaches helping you hit them out of the park. Informed decisions, they're your secret weapon. Whether you're diving in headfirst or just dipping your toes into generational wealth, remember, tapping into their wisdom is how you turn your financial journey into a legacy that truly rocks. 13. Create a will. It helps your loved ones avoid confusion and legal hassles when you're not around. This isn't just for billionaires. Even if you've got a small stash, a will matters. It lets you choose who gets what, without it getting tangled up. Writing a will might sound like paperwork, but it's your chance to leave a clear path for your wealth to journey through generations. Your will is like a handwritten note passing it on. It's not just about money, it's about the stories and memories tied to what you've built. You're not saying goodbye to your empire, you're setting it up to thrive. So whether you're just starting your financial journey or are knee-deep in investments, remember, a will is your way of ensuring your legacy moves on. 14. Generational inclusion. Passing the torch of financial wisdom to the next runners in your family relay. Think of it as a way to make sure the money-smart vibes keep flowing. This isn't just about dollars and cents, it's about building a legacy that stands strong. Involving your kids or young relatives is essential. Educating them early on about saving, investing, and budgeting is like giving them a treasure map to navigate their financial future. It's not about forcing them to be accountants, but arming them with the tools to make smart choices. From simple things like discussing household budgets to bigger talks about investments, you're giving them a backstage pass to how the empire works. No need to make it complicated. Start with small lessons and build up. You're not just securing your financial empire for now, you're ensuring its growth for the long haul. 15. Trusts. By establishing trusts, you're creating a fortress around your assets, ensuring they're protected from unexpected storms. You're not just handing over your assets, you're setting the rules for how they're handled. It's about making sure your wealth has a purposeful journey. Whether it's an art collection or your business, trusts allow you to keep calling the shots from beyond. The best part, you can set conditions, like ensuring funds are used for education or distributed gradually, guiding your wealth's impact on future generations. Whether you're a financial novice or a savvy investor, remember, trusts are your power move to ensure your financial empire keeps shining brightly across time. 16. Health and insurance. Prioritizing health is like building a solid foundation for your empire. When you're fit and healthy, you're better equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. But let's be real, life can throw curveballs, and that's where insurance comes in. It's like having a shield against financial setbacks caused by unexpected events. Imagine this: you've got your empire, and insurance is the guardian ensuring it's not vulnerable to sudden storms. It's not about assuming the worst, but ensuring the best for your family's future. Whether it's health insurance, life insurance, or coverage for your assets, having the right insurance is like having a superhero squad on standby. It's not about expecting trouble, but empowering yourself to handle anything that might come up. Whether you're stepping into the world of finances or are already deep into investments, Remember, health and insurance are your secret weapons for building a lasting financial legacy. 17. Stay informed. Staying in the loop with financial trends is like having a GPS guiding you through the twists and turns of the market. It's not about predicting the future, it's about being prepared for whatever comes your way. It's always best to have a general sense of where things are headed. Whether it's changes in interest rates, shifts in industries, or global economic updates, being clued in helps you tweak your strategy before things catch you off guard. The best part, it's easier than ever with technology at your fingertips. So whether you're a beginner in the world of finance or already diving into investments, staying informed is your ticket to building a lasting financial legacy that stands strong across generations. 18. S&P 500. The S&P 500 is like a yardstick, measuring the overall health of the stock market. It's made up of companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, giving you a snapshot of how the economy is rolling. This helps you get a sense of the trends. Whether it's soaring highs or bumpy lows, the S&P 500 helps you see patterns in the chaos. Tracking its performance is like having a cheat code to keep tabs on the economy's heartbeat. Whether you're dipping your toes into investing or already playing the market, remember the S&P 500 is your insightful guide to building a lasting financial legacy that stands tall across generations. 19. Regular review. Life isn't a straight line, and neither is your financial journey. Every once in a while, take a step back and look at where you stand. Think of it as giving your financial plan a tune-up. As time goes by, things change: jobs, expenses, goals, and that's perfectly normal. Your plan shouldn't stay frozen in time, you've got to flex and adapt. Your financial plan might need a little tweak here, a nudge there. That's when you roll up your sleeves and make those adjustments. Maybe you're earning more, fantastic, put those extra dollars into investments. Or perhaps there's a new goal on the horizon, time to shuffle things around a bit. The key here is that your plan should reflect your current reality. You're the captain of this financial ship, steering it through the ever-changing seas of life. So schedule these check-ins, stay nimble, and keep sailing towards that lasting financial empire. 20. Risk management. Consider yourself a detective, investigating where to put your hard-earned money. Research is your magnifying glass, helping you uncover hidden details. Before diving into any investment, whether it's stocks, bonds, or something else, it's wise to know what you're getting into. Are there potential challenges? Certainly, but with research you can spot them from a distance. It's like applying sunscreen before heading out into the sun. A little effort now can prevent trouble later on. Keep in mind, though, that no one can predict the future with complete certainty. That's where diversification comes in. Spread your investments across different areas so that if one part hits a rough patch, the rest have your back. Building a financial empire is a marathon, not a sprint. While risks exist, they're just obstacles to overcome. Stay informed, make intelligent choices, and you'll be steering this empire for generations to come. 21. Exit strategy. Life is a journey with different chapters, and the same goes for your financial story. That's where the exit strategy comes into play. Think of it like having a roadmap for transitioning from active income to a well-deserved retirement, or smoothly passing the torch in your business. It's like knowing when to wrap up one great movie and start another. How do you do it? By planning. When you're in the active income phase, it's the prime time to start thinking about how you want to step back down the road. Will it be a gradual transition, or will you hand over the reins swiftly? It's all about what suits your storyline best. Just like characters evolve in a movie, your financial situation will change too. That's why reviewing and adjusting your exit strategy periodically is essential. 22. Continual learning. Staying curious about financial strategies is all about adapting to what's new. Whether it's understanding investment options, tax strategies, or the latest tech disrupting the markets, being in the know gives you the upper hand. Think of it like upgrading your skills in a video game. The more you learn, the stronger you become. We get it. Learning about finances might not sound like the most exciting thing, but trust us, it's like understanding the plot twists in a gripping movie. When you're familiar with the plot, you can make informed decisions that propel your financial empire forward. It's about lifelong learning. Just like how you keep updating your apps to get the best features, updating your financial knowledge helps you make the best choices for your empire's growth. So whether it's reading up on new investment opportunities or attending workshops, remember, the more you learn, the brighter your financial future becomes. 23. Mindset. Having patience in your financial journey lets your investments grow and multiply over time. It's about making decisions that might not show immediate results, but contribute to your empire's longevity. So how do you develop this mindset? It's a bit like building a habit. It takes practice. Educate yourself about past market cycles, understand that fluctuations are part of the game, and focus on the long-term goal. Building generational wealth requires the kind of patience and discipline that transforms a small spark into a blazing fire. 24. Adaptability. Life is like a constantly changing landscape, and your financial journey is no different. That's where adaptability comes in. It's like having a toolbox filled with strategies that you can adjust as the economic weather changes. Just like changing your plans when the weather suddenly shifts, being adaptable means having a backup plan ready. Economic conditions can swing like a pendulum. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. Change can be unsettling, but the more flexible you are, the more smoothly you can groove through unexpected twists. Being adaptable doesn't mean throwing your plans out the window. It means having the wisdom to tweak your approach. It's like steering a car. Sometimes you take a different route to reach your destination faster. So how do you build adaptability? Think of it like building a muscle. You exercise it. Stay informed about market trends, economic shifts, and emerging opportunities. Surround yourself with knowledgeable people who can provide insights. Remember, adaptability is your secret weapon, helping you weather any financial storm and ensuring your empire stands strong through generations. 25. Teach the next generation. Just like teaching someone a skill, passing on financial know-how ensures that the empire you're building stands strong in the hands of your children or young loved one, and their children after them. It's like planting seeds that grow into a forest of financial success. Why is this important? Think of it as building a team for the long game. Just like a team is only as strong as its members, your financial empire's strength comes from the knowledge of those who will carry it forward. Imagine your children having a treasure map of financial strategies, investment insights, and money management skills. This empowers them to make good decisions, avoid pitfalls, and continue growing what you started. It's like giving them a compass to navigate the financial wilderness. Start with the basics: budgeting, saving, and understanding how money works. Make it relatable to their interests and age. Much like passing down family stories, passing down financial wisdom creates a legacy that benefits generations to come. As you stand at the crossroads, having journeyed through the tapestry of generational wealth, building a lasting financial empire, recognize that this is not the end, but a magnificent new beginning. The wisdom you've gained is not just knowledge, but a catalyst for transformative action. With unyielding perseverance and a heart afire with ambition, you now possess the tools to create a legacy that defies the limits of time. Every trial you face is an invitation to innovate, every setback a chance to strengthen your resolve. As you move forward, let the lessons learned within these pages guide your decisions, fuel your aspirations, and infuse your spirit with the audacity to dream big. Your narrative of generational wealth is a saga of determination, woven into the very fabric of your empire's ascent. So stride forward with courage, and with each step, you build not just wealth, but a fortress of financial empowerment that shall endure through generations. Your empire, resilient and vibrant, awaits your artful touch, a testament to your legacy and an emblem of what's possible when dreams meet dedication.